English essay, a visit to a historical place. A visit to a historical place. During the Diwali holidays, I visited Rudramal with my parents. Rudramal is situated near Siddhpur. Thousands of years ago, Rudramal was built by King Mulraj Solanki. It was renovated by King Siddharaj Jaisingh. 11 stories were added to the original structure. It is said that its 1600 pillars were studded with precious stones. In 1227, Alauddin Khilji destroyed this grand structure. Years later, the Sultan of Ahmedabad converted a part of the ruins into a masjid. The ruins were excavated in 1980. We saw the only story which remains today. We saw the beautifully carved pillars and arches. There were idols of Uma Mahesh, Nataraj, and Shiva. The ruins of this ancient architecture gave us a glimpse of the glorious past of Gujarat. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.